This is the finally clear view. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. All these mountains were under fog. Oh god, I think I should wake them up. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Ah, finally fog is not there. It's nice. Oh wow, it's nice. Shit. That was the Manor town. Oh my god. It's like, it's amazing view. We didn't realize there was a tea side the other side, that side also. Because till yesterday it was all under the fog. You see? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Nice. So you can see a bison over here. This black one. There's a group of bison. Some of them are resting over here in this area, and one is gazing here. My camera is not that good, but yeah, it's nice. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's our last day. It's our last day in Ooty-Kinnakorai. Not exactly in Ooty-Kinnakorai. We are staying 1 hour before Ooty-Kinnakorai. It's a small place called Manur. So you can see a tea garden behind me. It's really nice view. It's our last day, so yeah, today we'll be heading back home. And today only the weather has cleared out perfectly. I think till 2-3 o'clock it's gonna be nice and clear. So right in front of me there is this tea garden. Here the bison is like gazing around, like, so nice. My camera can capture that good, but yeah, they're over there only. I'll show you. It's a herd of bisons. Wow, it's so green. I'm gonna miss this place. And overall, the experience was really good. The roads and all, everything was like very, very nice. Okay, I enjoyed thoroughly starting from the, very narrow road to a picturesque road and all. So you can see a bus also. I think we get a bus also to reach here from Ooty and all. So it's a small town, but it's like everything is there, starting from a hardware shop, food, whatnot, everything was there. It's nice. You should, once in a lifetime, you should come and visit this place. It's good. I think he was sitting here only earlier. These houses are like exactly like that Kundi houses, Anna. Remember? It was also like this only, na? Small, small houses. Manju, na? अब हामीहरू गएको हैन saying bye to the Manju village. We saw so many bisons and all. आज हामीहरू फर्केको पनि हैन अब we might be taking the same route, I guess. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. So दामी जग्गा रहेछ यहाँनिर हुन्छ नि लाइक हामीले त्यो Indian God भन्छ हैन. Oh yeah, that's a dam na. It rained like crazy yesterday, that's why अलिकति भए पनि वेदर आज हेर्ने लाइक भयो हैन. अलिकति भए पनि उज्यालो भयो आज चाहिँ तर हिजो अस्ति चाहिँ हामीले यो सबै भ्यूहरू केही पनि देखेको थिएन हैन. आई विल शो यु कस्तो कस्तो देख्दैछ बाटोमा हैन. अस्ति आउँदा चाहिँ हामीले इट वाज टोटली फगी हैन केही पनि देख्नु पाएन. बट इट्स गुड द्याट वी ह्याड एक्सपिरियन्स एभ्रिथिङ फग रेन थन्डरस्टर्म एभ्रिथिङ. सो या अब हेर्दै जाउँ के देख्दो रहेछ बाटोहरूमा है. वाइल्ड एनिमल्सहरू चाहिँ इट्स लाइक भेरी कमन ओभर हियर हैन. मोस्टली द्याट इन्डियन गड मान्छेले बाइसन पनि भनेर चिन्छ हैन. अन्त त्यो पनि पुरा यहाँनिर पाउँदो रहेछ हैन. अब हाम्रो स्टेको जस्ट अगाडिको पनि पुरा नि अब एकदम 8-9वटा बाइसन पनि थियो हैन. ओके अब हेर्दै जाउँ के हुँदो रहेछ है. आई विल शो यु. हेर्दै जानु तपाईँहरू पनि इन्जोय गर्नु मसँग भर्चुअली. हामीहरू एउटा जग्गामा रोकेको छौँ होइन. त्यो प्लेसको नाम चाहिँ बिग कल रहेछ होइन. BICKOL. हेर्नु न भ्यू कस्तो दामी छ. आई विल शो यु. टर्न हियर म्यान. वाउ इट्स सो नाइस. हेर्नु न के दामी. इट्स लाइक साँच्चै नै भनेको क्षेत्रनिर मजाको उयोहरू छ दामी. द्याट्स राइट. Nice, thinking it's so similar. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. This plant is called as Nilgiri is called as eucalyptus, na? चिया बनाउनुको सिस्टम यस्तो भाडा हुँदो रहेछ होइन यस्तो कलसँग Who is hungry for first stage or second stage?
Third stage
already. Because of him, right?
There is the gap between first stage and second stage is more. And second to third is very less.
Okay. Now. Hello, Mr. Hello, Mr. Tulung. How was your trip? So yeah, we have stopped in a very small hotel kind of. It's like we are getting freshly parota. Thank you. Trying now.
I'll let you have.
1 minute आ रहा हूँ हाँ हाँ दे रहा
भन्ने जग्गामा हैन यहाँनिर चाहिँ घी हट वर्की चकलेट्स पनि पाउँदो रहेछ हैन लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल दे हैव वर्की बिस्किट चाहिँ पाइन तर वर्कीको टुर चाहिँ हेर्नु पाउँछ कसरी बनाउँछ भनेर हैन आई विल शो यु हाउ दे मेक इट यु आर मेकिङ वर्की Oh, this is how you make it. I'll go from the other side. So this is how they make. Luckily they allow us to enter inside also. So after doing this, they'll just line up here and they'll put in the oven there. Oh my god, this is so nice. You'll show the oven. Wow, you're showing me the oven also. Lucky me. Oh my god, everything is lined up so nicely. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
We didn't get much, only half kg we got it. I got some cake also. So, you know, Varkey, famous Bismi Bakery. You should come. The people over here are also very sweet and generous. They offered us for a tour also. I will show you chocolate factory. I stop correcting. That's why from there we are getting chocolates. This is that we can see them preparing chocolate. So this is how they does. Chocolate mold ma यसरी हालेर चाहिँ बनाउँदै रहेछ. Different shape, size है यहाँनिर पनि बनाउँदै रहेछ. ए तिनीहरु हेडफोन लिएर आउँछ अरे हौ. I'll show you the varieties. So many varieties. I got some of. Here you can see all the varieties here. Looks yummy, nice. So masalas also. यही पाइहाल्छ हैन tea. I have taken some cardamom tea and all. यो चाहिँ वर्की चाहिँ उटीको famous biscuit होइन, but we got it from some of the local bakery which is like very famous here हैन. यो डल्लै उयो रहेछ ओए सूर्य it's some chocolates for myself so we have to do the thing यहाँनिर चाहिँ पुरा चक्लेट्स पनि चक्लेट कसरी बनाउँछहरू पनि देखाउँछ होइन यो चाहिँ यिनीहरूको मल गर्ने जग्गा रहेछ ड्राई फ्रुट्सहरू म सबै देखाउँछु ल तपाईँहरूलाई जस्तै अनलाइन यहाँ चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ स्टक उयो गरेको रहेन रहेछ र किनभने चाहिँ यहाँनिर यो सबै प्रोसेसिङ युनिट पनि यही हुन्छ उनीहरूको होइन इट्स लाइक यो चाहिँ हो सो अघि पनि मैले चक्लेट किनेको थिएँ यो पनि उयोलाई मेरो साथीहरूलाई लगिदिएको होइन सो यो चाहिँ राइट अब यहाँबाट चाहिँ हाइवे टच हुन्छ हामीहरू अघि आएको बाटो यता हामीहरू अहिले पर्खिरहेको छौँ तिनीहरूलाई यो चाहिँ हो चक्लेट फ्याक्ट्री सुजी सूर्य दिस ट्री इज सो ब्युटिफुल न हाउ कम इट इज ऑरेंज एभ्रीवेयर इट्स व्हाइट न हियर इट इज ऑरेंज
No, I think it's because of the season. It usually looks white only.
oh normally it should be white because
How do they extract that? They cut this and do what you call mill it and what you call grind it and make it.
I think leaves are used no
Oh, is it?
There is
No, tree is not used.
leaves and bark I think they use I guess I don't know they all are so near to us
Ooh, elephant.
oh
See.
oh I saw bigger
Oh, no, this is
Black one, black one.
elephant ka this thing only. It's not a wild elephant. I thought it's a wild elephant.
This is safari elephant.
Safari elephant.
Bichara fully loaded yeah nothing to him but still no
See, he is carrying his food.
ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಮಚ್ಚ
Parcel ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ.
what did you say
ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ that means
okay
take
understood he's
Oh, sorry.
only oh
multiple
oh did you see you're only right in front
This is their Camberley. I guess.
ಅಲ್ಲ
See, the kid is playing with them.
huh.
Small kid is playing with them.
Oh my God.
Also is there.
oh is it
ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ
so many elephants keeping the moriko chaka रहेछ keeping the moriko chaka just shoot for 2 minutes चाहिँ म मेरो भ्लगलाई यहीँ एन्ड गर्छु थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर वाचिङ कि दामी हो मौरीको चाका जग्गा भएको जग्गा बाबा थ्याङ्क यू सो मच